And right now, you can see people from different states witnessing this pounding breadfruit, how they preserve the food, the breadfruit, and people are enjoying now, watching and witnessing them. So thank you very much again. Hope that you'll enjoy. And this documentary again is for new generations, for our students. So they will learn something and be encouraged to preserve practices and good culture like this one. How to preserve food, especially for survival. Well, thank you very much again. Shout out to our government, Chuk Krisu Chabur, with our Governor Naron and his lieutenant. Thank you very much, and of course government officials for your 100% support to this event, and also to my principal, Mr. K.S. Sana Krisu Chabur, and to his vice principals, Mr. Isuen Lucas, Miss Esther Mori Asor, for your support. And of course to our bus drivers. Every day they send back and forth to the field and back to the school, since they are staying in our school right now. So thank you very much for the administration of Chuk High School, Chuk High Family Krisu Chabur. And yeah, enjoy for this last day as we have this day 5 activity here in Fifen. So Krisu Chabur Fifen, Krisu Chabur, for your warm welcome to everyone, everybody, medicine. Again, Kalangan, Kulu, Kamagar, and Krisu. Alright, see you, let's go. So this side we can see prepared and finished product. Slicing breadfruit, and right there we have the finished food right there. Ooh, that's ammat.
Put it together and then cook it.
So our friends from other states, they're also asking, and our friends are also explaining regarding the preparation of the food. So this part here, space for pounding breadfruit. Corn. Yeah, we call it corn, Portuguese. Great people, look. So that's how they prepare corn. So thank you very much, Tiffin friends, for your excellent demonstration. Thank you very much, my friend, right there, assisting our visitors, explaining something. Questions, different questions from visitors. Kriso. Oh, they have display here. Displays baskets made of coconut leaves. So you can see here, they place the breadfruit right there. So from there, after pounding, they put here inside. Woo! Thank you, different friends. That's our MC right there. Shout out, thank you, my friend. At the same time, representing Samuel of this place. So these are our friends from 3 states witnessing this activity event happening now here in Philippines. Yep, this time our visitors still witnessing, observing how our friends pounding breadfruit or corn. Chukis called it corn. And thank you very much again to our very own Governor Naron with his lieutenant. Lieutenant William right here with us today and other officials.
Ladies from Oman to come in. They have a special number to perform for us. Let's give them a round of applause.
No way you're gonna squeeze it. It's very hard to squeeze it. So what do? You put that and some heavy guy will sit on it and extract the juice. And once the juice is extracted, it's poured into the bowl over here and wait for the corn to be put inside. That's the church. That's the church process. And most of the islands still do this. Most islands still do this one.
Yeah, thank you very much, Sir Mars Agapito, for the explanation about this activity. I thought he's not here. So again, thank you very much, Mr. Mars Agapito.
Rara geri medicine. Usarot tipis yewe. Masa
This is where they gather the cooked breadfruit and then pass to pounders. So this part here, you can see, this is where they squeeze the coconut. Wow. So they place the coconut right there, and then of course the liquid will go straight to that container right there. So easy to squeeze because we're using this I think lumber. Thank you again. different sectors. Our Mr. Hero operating our media iSolution Micronesia. Thank you very much with his assistance and some other vloggers, USA, Japan, Philippines, helping to announce, of course, to the world what's going on here in Chile and to this third Micronesia Expo. Here we go. So enjoy watching. Thank you, fifth and friends. That's the only thing we can always mention. Thank you. Kiriso Kalangan Kulo Kamagar. Now, pounded breadfruit to this. So, how do we call that one? Namwejok? Okay, Namwejok. Thank you, thank you. Yeah, shout out to Mars Agapito. Looks like he's tired now. Assisting people since this morning. My goodness, thank you very much. And making sure that our friends, visitors are well equipped with what? Water? Food? And they are preparing, our fifth and friends are preparing food, the corn for today, while our women are singing. Our officials also, visitors enjoying putting something. That's part of the culture. Issue Governor and Lieutenant.
Before you continue, let me just say something. Once the court is finished, then we will have lunch. Lunch is over there. So please sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. Thank you very much.
Oh, that's our lunch. That's our lunch. Yeah.
Wi-Fi password
For
is
lunch.
296942.
Yeah, we have
Capital
also
C,
here
296942. Thank you.
Yeah, while waiting for breadfruit, some are cooking, some are pounding, and while waiting for the food, there are also, our women also are dancing, singing and dancing. Wow, amazing. They are now covering the pounded breadfruit inside that bowl. Big bowl, man.
Wait. Take it. Okay. Katie.
Sorry, I forgot. It's not Turkish people here. It's Efesian people. Let's give them a round of applause, please.
I'll wait.
Let's clap.
Alangan. I throw bow to His Excellency Bishop, Honorable Governor Narun, Honorable Governor, for your warm hospitality.
So this is Papot,
We are
another
very privileged
food preparation
to be
here.
able to come on behalf of the Pohnpei delegation. Extend our warmest appreciation and thank you to Governor Narun and the people of Chuk overall for your warm hospitality from day one until today. I believe tomorrow the boat or the ship will be departing and carrying the Pohnpei delegation back home, as well as probably some of the other.
So at this time, aside from the pounding breadfruit, we have a special number to show you what it's like to take the special food from the cooking house to its place. So without further ado, I would like to call upon Marcellus and his cohorts to do the presentation. Let's give them a
Ja, fix, er is sneeuw. Er is graag. Graag voor very boom. Paputa, was er sneeuw. Our profound comrade to our honorable dignitaries, leaders, most especially President of the FSM, His Excellency Simina, Vice President of the FSM, the Honorable Balik Tiro Ngoruk at the front, Kemira, Juk State, Alexander Narun at the front, Kisiri Kemira, Juk State, Begio William. Tiro Comerale, deep respect, Governor Koswai State, Governor Balik Tiro Comerale, deep respect, Governor Pohnpei State, Stevenson Joseph Itimai, Vice Speaker Rutun, visiting mayors from the Federation, Sopun, Savon, Arabasa Citizen, Non-Nawun, Erin Navarias, Sabatsko Mayor, Atsko Wood Municipal, Arabas Medicine, Minon Nomnaleran, Tiro, Comerale, Ranan Nivel Medicine. By way of a little briefing, some call it Chebiapchen, some call it Namajun, some call it Fagwari, and many more names depending on the region and depending on the school of thought and Itan from throughout Chuk State. Here in Nazawitun, we are very proud and we still practice the proud way of presenting Urong Sabiapchen to our dignitaries and high chiefs at special moment like today. It is not usual to see it move around, but when there is important people, important day, you can be sure that you will see movement of Sabiapchen. And in it is the corn, the pounded breadfruit and church. Corn signifies people of truth. In our saying, we say, Uputi nekon, merita nekon, mara nekon. We are born con people. We grow up con people. And we go to heaven distributing con to people in heaven. So we are very happy that you join us today on Faven Island. And we present to you, because of respect, our Sabiapchen filled with con, meaning the significance of life and people and God's kindness and endowment to the islands of Chu, as the governor referred to. Without further delay, because of respect of you, we will do a small number. As you can see, the monkeys are already in here. Kuya irare faretta. Nei erwa ge sewa git topri so ha. Dui. This. Super. Thank you very much.
Here he comes. Give him an
Our Vice President of Kevisam, Tirog, and my respect to the Sakal of Pohnpei. My respect to the stone money of Yap, Tirog, and respect to the sleeping lady of Kosrai. My respect to all the heads of delegation and honorable members, ladies and gentlemen. Raranim Serijuk, Kirisotapur, Pusator Rinesapun, Hatiran, Kirisotapur, Posiakura, she experienced the life and the culture of our islands. Kirisotapur, Pusiabevi, Kiramberan. On behalf of the people of my region, the Southern Nomoneas, the leadership, I would like to express our sincere appreciation for you to come to Fairfen, our region, and enjoy the day. Kagu parong sabus, esap seriat, bacer boya kusira, nanobun fermat kay, leito al seri at the state center. Periten so man medicine not soup. The kevra say kira nomoreas. So man marabas aviaten. Gawaten Korea pasa at Kirisotapur Pereiran Atlis Upper Purweta Kevin jadi Keto si pueden enjoy a rari kirai Kirisotapur Mayor Matias Sopun Fefen Kabatuitun Kyoso Mbon Medicine non at Krigin Natural Chini Fefen Wherever you are in research Gary at a rari kirai
Most Reverend Sawol, Wargamot, After, Masa, Kisagatan, Kupuratko, Kupurisagiyatiki, Yesapura.
So, yeah, that's the end of our program. And this is eating time, lunch time, with prepared food, corn, and our Chuk High School also right here with us. Matt and Marcin, bus driver, with our visitors are always ready and willing to help. Kirisotapur. So occupied by visitors here in Fairfen. So Pohnpei, our visitors. We have here the Yap and Kusrai. So it's now free time. Those who wanted to dance, sing, while they are serving food for everybody. Kirisotapur, Fairfen friends, for your presentation and excellent demonstration. Again, Kirisotapur, Fairfen friends. Yeah, it's a long line right here. Excited to taste and eat. It's lunchtime, and you can see also right there drone. Woo! So different media sectors with us today, just to announce to the world the ongoing this third Micronesia Expo. Woo! Enjoy watching, guys. The entrance right here. From duck coming here. Wow, amazing. They arranged coconut right there. Drone flying around. Yeah. It's good to have our camera people. Public safety shout out. Always making sure that the activity is always with peaceful environment. So Fairfen friends now are distributing food for our visitors. Thank you very much. 1, 2. Yep, you can dance. Just showing to our visitors that they are welcome to this island. Yeah, they're serving food. Tasty and very, very excellent food for our visitors today. Thank you, Fifth and friends. Crab. They're serving crabs right here. Thank you very much, Fifth and friends, for serving food. Here you can see bundles of the rabbit. Ooh, special. Look. Woo! Kirisut Sabur, Fifth and friends. Yes. Oh man. Excellent. There we go. Ooh. So tasty, man. So. Wow. So taro. Maybe they just caught it last night. So thank you very much, friends, again. That's the only thing we can always say, thank you.